Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to make payments from your payment method in your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device. And from here you have to simply tap on your payment and shipping option from here. And from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time from your device. So guys, do this and go back. And now tap on sign in and security. And wait here for some seconds again, and from here tap on change password, and from here you have to simply change the password for your Apple ID for one time, and after this go back, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this restart your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this sign in your Apple ID again, and now tap on payment and shipping. So guys, tap on payment and shipping, and from here you have to simply add your payment method again in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and from here turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.